What are the differences between countable nouns and uncountable nouns? How we can recognize the difference between them? Inshallah, today we will learn countable nouns and uncountable nouns in English. الأسماء المعدودة والأسماء الغير معدودة. Countable nouns that we can count them. الأسماء المعدودة الذي نستطيع أن نعدها. For example, chairs, student, people, cars, everything that we can count them. يعني الأسماء الذي نستطيع أن نعدها. Uncountable nouns that we cannot count them. الأسماء الذي لا نستطيع أن نعدها. Like what? Like water, air, cheese, meat, rice, or sugar. Okay, we cannot count them. We use with the countable nouns are or is. Verb to be are or is. For example, there are 5 students. There are a lot of people. With uncountable nouns we cannot use are, we use is. نستخدم is مع الأسماء غير معدودة. For example, information. Information is important for you. Water is. News is. Okay, we use with uncountable nouns the verb to be is. Okay, with countable nouns we use a or an. For example, an apple, a chair, a student, a boy. Okay, but with uncountable nouns we cannot use an or a. For example, you cannot say a water or an air. Okay, we cannot use them. يعني لا تستخدمش a or an. نستطيع أن نستخدم a or an with countable nouns. Okay, we use with countable nouns we use how many. Okay, for example, how many plus countable nouns. For example, how many people are there? How many brothers do you have? How many children does she have? Okay, how many plus countable nouns. With uncountable nouns we use how much. For example, how much water do you like? Okay, how much cheese do you want? How much time do you need to study English? Okay, we use how much plus uncountable nouns. With countable nouns we can use the plural s. For example, student, students, chair, chairs, car, cars. But with uncountable nouns we cannot use the plural s. For example, you cannot say water, waters. You cannot say that. It's wrong. Okay, we don't use the plural s with uncountable nouns. We use with countable nouns we use few, some, many, a lot of. Okay, a lot of. For example, I have a lot of friends. She has some students. I have a few books. Okay, uncountable nouns we use much, a lot of, some, and little. For example, she has little time to finish the homework. I have a lot of water. Now, inshallah, I will give you some exercises to check your understanding. you for watching, my dear students, and I hope you understand today's lesson in English about countable and uncountable nouns. And if you need any help, don't hesitate to ask me, and I will be glad to help you with anything in English.